Has anyone else noticed that the Obliteratrix is in great shape? I was just trying to point out that the same could be said for Regina. Coincidence? Far enough, Regina. Do what you want to me, but by the conflagration of Rog-Goroth, you will not hurt my friends.
Jack, I'm not following.
Madam, we are forged of metal alloy.
As Shoggoth Gunnar would say, lo, the tentacles of Aglbor have eaten my entrails and gargled my liver. Now, Regina, time to come clean and reveal that you're... As Shoggoth Gunnar would say...